Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your voice to write on Salesforce using Voicen. Voicen is a Chrome extension that lets you use your voice to type on thousands of websites, including Salesforce. Let me show you a quick demo. To start typing, click on Voicen icon. I can use it to enter information about a new opportunity. Period. I can use it everywhere in Salesforce. Period. New line. Voice typing in Salesforce saves me so much time. Period. Stop dictation. It's that easy. Voicen automatically does capitalization and supports voice commands for common punctuations. To install Voicen, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Voicen. A link to the extension is in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.